the difference between like Zhengzhou and Beijing is? I feel like Zhengzhou is bigger just from the area, yeah. And there's so many like places that are just empty, and Beijing doesn't have this. Like if there's something empty, there's something being built, you know.
But the good thing, it's forests. So when you leave town, you really do leave town.
Yeah. Look at this.
Whoa.
Oh, no, cute.
Different.
Not used to taking pictures yet.
Yeah.
Took me only 3 years.
And now he's a boju. So there comes the feeling of Henan.
Yeah. No. Good. Okay, so it's our second day in Henan, and of course we had to get some of the famous Henan mian.
Hui mian.
Hui mian, yes. How are yours?
Really nice and spicy, and I missed this feeling in a bowl. Basically.
Mine are very delicious as well.
Yours is the vegetarian version?
Vegetarian with a lot of mushrooms. So
I love the soup on yours. I tried it. It's really good.
Yeah.
Mine is yang rou, which is mutton. Yeah, mine has mutton in it, and you can add a bit of spice if you want to.
Okay.
But it's so good because it's freshly made mian, and it has the Henan spices in it. So, yay! 尝尝，推荐你们来这店。Come to me, baby. Can I try?
Because of this mushroom. And I also really like this restaurant with the plates on there, like this mian soup plate.
The design, kind of,
some characters.
right? They said this is the best place to have hui mian in Zhengzhou, so we tried it and we love it.
Yeah.